Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your lash game, Vamp Extreme Mascara in Ear 110 Black by Pupa Milano. Let me ask you, are you tired of mascaras that leave you with lackluster lashes, no volume, or the dreaded smudge halfway through the day? Well, Pupa Milano's Vamp Extreme Mascara claims to offer the intense pigmentation, volume, and lasting power we've all been hoping for. If this sounds like exactly what you need, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get more honest reviews like this one. Now let's get into it. Pupa Milano's Vamp Extreme Mascara is designed to give you bold, intense lashes with just one coat. It boasts a formula that offers pure pigment for a stunning payoff, leaving your lashes with a bold and defined look. The key selling point here is the mascara's ability to accentuate and volumize the lashes without clumping. And the waterproof formula promises to last all day long, keeping that dramatic eye look intact, no matter what. This mascara comes with a unique brush that's designed to catch and coat each lash individually, ensuring that you get a voluminous, defined finish without the mess. Whether you're looking to build volume or just add a little more definition, the Vamp Extreme Mascara has you covered. The pigment is rich and intense, which is perfect for those who love a statement eye. So how did it perform in real life? For me, this mascara was a breeze to use. The brush was easy to control and glided smoothly through my lashes. I noticed an immediate difference with just one coat. The lashes looked fuller, more defined, and the color was bold without feeling heavy. It didn't flake or smudge throughout the day, even though I have a tendency to rub my eyes a little. But it wasn't all perfect. While the volumizing effect was definitely there, I did find that the formula took a little longer to dry compared to some other mascaras I've used. If you're in a rush and prone to touching your lashes right after application, you might get a little transfer. Another thing to keep in mind is that the mascara is quite dramatic, so if you prefer a more natural look, this might not be your first choice. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: intense, rich pigmentation that makes your lashes pop. Builds volume without clumping, giving a fuller, more dramatic look. Waterproof formula that lasts all day. Easy-to-use wand that separates lashes beautifully. Long-lasting, no smudging or flaking. Cons: takes a little longer to dry than other mascaras. The dramatic volume may not suit those who prefer a more natural look. Can be a bit heavy on the lashes, so if you're used to lightweight formulas, this might feel a little intense. As for value for money, Vamp Extreme Mascara comes in at a mid to high price point. Given its performance, long-lasting formula, and the fact that it's made by Pupa Milano, an Italian brand known for quality beauty products, I'd say it's worth the price if you're looking for bold lashes that won't quit halfway through the day. It's not the cheapest mascara on the market, but you're paying for that high pigment formula and longevity. If you're on a budget, you could check out mascaras like Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. Both are great alternatives, giving you full, defined lashes at a fraction of the price. In terms of build quality, the mascara's packaging is sleek and feels high-end. The applicator brush is sturdy, and the overall design of the tube is chic yet practical, reflecting the brand's commitment to both aesthetics and functionality. It's not the most compact mascara on the market, but it's certainly built to last. Now, before we wrap up, I just want to quickly ask, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one, and if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. As far as customer support goes, I've had no issues with Pupa Milano, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful if you run into any issues with their products. Now let's get to the final verdict. If you love a bold, volumized lash look that stays put throughout the day, Vamp Extreme Mascara is definitely worth considering. The pigmentation and volume are impressive, and it holds up well, even under harsh conditions. However, if you prefer a more subtle, natural lash effect, this may not be your go-to. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.